Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer n as the input. Then we have to modify the integer n based upon some conditions. So if the digit is even, then replace the digit with 0, or if the digit is odd, then replace the digit with 1. So finally, the program must print the decimal equivalent of the modified n. So the program must accept the integer n as the input, then modify the integer n based on some conditions. So if the digit is even, then replace it with 0, or if the digit is odd, then replace the digit with 1. And then finally, the program must print the decimal equivalent of the modified n. So now let us take our first test case. So here you can see 8 is an even number, so we must replace it by 0. Then 4 is also an even number, we'll replace it by 0. Then 5 is an odd number, so replace it by 1. Then 3 is also an odd number. Then 6 is an even number, so replace it by 0. Now the decimal equivalent of this is 6. So 6 will be our output. Now let us take our second test case. So here we have 5, that is an odd number, so replace it by 1. Then we have 4, which is even, so replace by 0. Then 1 odd, so replaced by 1. Then 5 is an odd, so replaced by 1. Then 3 is an odd, replace it by 1. Then 2 is even, so replace it by 0. Now the decimal equivalent of this is 46, which will be our output. Let us implement our program. First we'll get the input integer n as a string so that it will be easier to traverse. Then we'll have the variable binary string where it stores the modified value of the integer n, that is with zeros and ones. Then we'll iterate over the n and check whether if the int of digit, so here we are converting the string formatted digit to int format. So we are checking whether it is even or odd. So if it is even, then we are going to append the binary string with 0, else we are going to append the binary string with 1. Now finally we'll print the binary string that is converted into int with base 2. So first we get the integer n, which is in string format. Then we have the variable binary string, which have the modified value of n with zeros and ones. Then after that we'll iterate over n and check whether the digit is even. So if it is even, then we'll append the binary string with 0, else we'll append the binary string with 1. Then finally we'll print int of binary string. So here we will have the decimal equivalent of the integer n with base 2. Now let us execute our program. First we'll pass our test case. So here we have got the correct output, that is the correct decimal equivalent. We'll pass our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.